The marathon man, Darian King. We spoke yesterday, and you leaked out your injury somewhat, but you came here and you fought right to the end.
Yes.
Talk a bit about this match.
Yeah, tough match. Playing one of my friends, we have kind of similar games, so I think outside it was a bit trying to craft each other to see, you know what I mean, the weaknesses or what the person is not doing as well in the match. But congrats to Randy, he played an awesome match, especially coming back from 5-0 down in the third to keep battling for Jamaica. As I say, this Davis Cup is about pride, it's not playing for yourself. So definitely, I think that even I'm not playing at home, I think the fans were unbelievable, and I really want to thank them for watching an awesome match.
And I think you want to thank your body for holding up, right, and giving you that opportunity. Because things were tough at one point, right?
Yes. As I say, I have to thank my association for giving me the chance to give me enough recovery time to prepare for this tie. If not, I don't think I'll be nominated even to play the #1 single. So for me, I want to thank them. And although it was a little rugged and tough at the end, showed some adversity, and I'm very happy to pull out the victory to tie it 1-1.
You think you're going to play the doubles?
Yes, definitely going to play the doubles. So no worries, I have enough time to recover. As I say, this is the do or die, so I have to put everything on the line. If I'm not good, I'll let them know. But if I'm feeling okay, I'm definitely out there.